How to change the apps grid layout to give you either more space or less space, and this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. To have more space for apps on your home screen and even in your app drawer, go ahead and long press a blank area like this here, and this is going to happen. You'll now see the option for settings down here at the bottom right. And when you're in this area here, go to where it says More. And as you enter into the More area, you'll see all these other options, and you'll go until you see Home Screen Layout, this right here. Now, if you're unable to select this, it could be that your lock is enabled. Usually when it's locked, you cannot go into it. So make sure this is turned off, and now you'll be able to go into it. And as you do that, you'll see now that there is these three options here. So you got the one that says 4x6. 4x6 gives you less space. 4x7, maybe a little bit more. And 5x9 gives you the most space. Notice how small these icons are. And if you want to have so much icons in your home screen page or per page, this is where you would want to go. And this is a better view here, 4x7, 4x6. And then 5x9. And of course, just be sure to press apply so you can save your changes, like and sub.